Remember how rusty he was when he first arrived? It took a year to repair. Now brand new. One day in December 2024, in the scrap car factory, I saw him at a glance. Not surprisingly, Delica L300 produced around 1980. At the same time, the moment I opened the door, I was amazed. No extensive damage. It was a bit of a mess, and an idea came to me at this moment. Finally, at 3,800 yuan, Delica L300 van. Come home with me, old man. I bring you back to life. As soon as I got home, I removed the passenger seat. It took so long. Will the engine still run? Let's remove the carburetor and clean it up. Replace with brand new spark plugs. I didn't expect it. Now let's start dismantling the interior. The interior is removed clean. It's all dismantled. This car is a non-steel body. After dismantling these attachments, spray these connecting screws with loosening agent first. Remove the connected things. The base plate of the car shell is very rusted. Brothers! I was laughing a second ago. The next second, look at the beam. What else can we do? Then we took down the water tank in one go. Condenser engine. Look at this show of very rotten girders and car holes. Went up all at once. For this. The prototype is a flat top. It's right here. Our car has a high top. We'll cut it off. You might not believe it. There is no accurate data to replicate this fast food truck. Take a screenshot of the movie. One little bit and to proportions calculate the size. The side door of the fast food truck is fully open. So it's completely useless to keep these tendons. Brothers, after our hard work these days, today we will start sandblasting. Since we have not been exposed to sandblasting equipment before, the pressure of the air compressor is not high enough. If the equipment is not effective, you have to bear it hard. The big deal is to spend more time. Always clean up this old rust thoroughly. It took a whole week. The car shell is finally sandblasted. Let's continue to clean up the girder too. It's all rust before sandblasting. After sandblasting, the original metal texture leaks out. After more than 10 days. See this effect. This 3 tons of quartz sand flour is so worth it. Then we started making tendons. To restore the movie, the side door of the food truck is fully open. Weld it on. At the same time, dig up the embroidered part of the car shell. All the old wounds on the car shell after sandblasting are exposed. Make all the tendons for him and fix them in place. The tendons are repaired. Adhesive reinforcement for the rusted parts of the whole car. Metal weakness. Rebar alone cannot completely repair the wall. The sandblasted girders have a clean metal matte finish. Let's spray a layer of epoxy primer first. What about epoxy primer, which can isolate air and moisture? Wait for the engine. It's all this heart. The best proof of health. Simple cleanup of carbon deposits. Replace timing kit. This engine can be used at its best. Re-inject surging impetus into the classics. What about after assembling the engine and transmission? Now, this is the exciting part. Brothers! Now, let's put the hull on the chassis. The roar of the engine still echoes in my ears. Alignment of positioning pins and bolt holes on chassis. Make sure the body and chassis are precisely aligned. The hull and chassis are firmly connected. What about this process? After a month of polishing and adjustment, looking at the car now, the whole surface is smooth as a mirror. Blend a white midway primer. Layer by layer superimposed spraying. Full white protective film. This midway primer. It also enhances the adhesion of subsequent finishes. Wait until the primer is completely dry. The ultimate classic color scheme sprints. Looking at the body under the top coat. As if through time, saw the car in the movie, a food truck on the street. What All the best.